Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Audi RS6. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing a scratch here at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. They have no scratches at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Alright, back here, the back bumper looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on it. And the trunk is in excellent condition as well. So the back of the car and the driver's side are spotless. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are in excellent condition. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No dents, no scratches here, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Back here looks perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. All right, the front passenger looks really good. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. Everything here is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons or around the steering wheel. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.